Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can manually add beats to your audio on CapCut PC. So go to audio and add in the song. You do have to do it manually. I used to be able to add in auto beat, but I'm not sure why it's grayed out. You can't even use it for the songs they have on CapCut, but I do hope that they enable this again for the future, because I was able to use it when the app was new. But you're going to want to select the audio and just play it and listen to it, and you can just click it or press Ctrl J on your keyboard. And just keep on adding beats to the song. I really hope you can do this. If you are too lazy to do this manually, you can use your the CapCut app on your phone instead, but you do have to do this manually if you're editing on CapCut PC. So I really hope they bring the auto beats back. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!